Breaking news, Coinbase has just made a significant move in the world of Bitcoin and you need to know about it. Stay tuned as we uncover the latest development that could reshape the landscape of cryptocurrency. Don't miss out on this crucial update from Coinbase in the world of Bitcoin. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and let's start. And we're starting off with, when Bitcoin was $23,000, the Wall Street Journal said Michael Saylor bet billions on Bitcoin and lost. Now Bitcoin is at $52,000 and MicroStrategy own $10 billion worth of Bitcoin. So you need to be consistent on purchasing what you believe in and you're going to be a millionaire. That's basically what the MicroStrategy shows as an example. Most of you agree by now that this market is bullish and that is probably going higher, and yet many people traded on leverage, getting blown up and losing precious coins. Don't fall for the trading trap, hold on to your coins and let time do the rest. Just in, Bitcoin ETFs are catching up to gold ETFs for assets, $37 billion for Bitcoin and $93 billion for gold after just the 25 trading days, and that's already massive, and they continue on purchasing more as they will for sure reach that $100 billion worth of volume, overpassing the gold ETF volume and the market cap. Bitcoin is going into belief phase, and here we could see the Bitcoin psychology of market as we are in an optimism zone looking for a belief. I guess if people still think that this is the truth, I feel like you're not going to get it and you're not going to get to the $1 million per Bitcoin because it's still not starting here, and everybody really thinks that we are on a bull market, which basically shows us all the signs that we are not. Because only Bitcoin is growing and the whole altcoin is doing nothing, and when the altcoin market starts growing, it actually shows the hype that the new money comes in. Right now on the Bitcoin there are no new money, there's all old money, and you need to understand that they're just manipulating you for you to purchase at this high price, for them to drop the price, take profits from you as you will sell at the way lower price position, and they will continue accumulating on way lower price positions. This is just the pure manipulations that you believe in, and everybody's trying to manipulate you into buying more because fear of missing out. That's where you are right now. You're fearing to miss out the $200,000 opportunity. Yeah, right, if you're going to purchase right now and going to hold, of course you're not going to miss anything and you're going to get the profits from there, but all I'm saying, if you're going to stay at the way lower position, that's actually where you miss out. So you should choose. If you want to just hold, you can buy even right now and it's still going to be a profit, but if you want to hold and to make a lot profit, you better just wait for the way lower price positions to buy and accumulate at a way lower price, because it for sure will happen. So, Bitcoin miners are going to have incredible cycle runs in 2024. We have gone up fair bit since the 2023 lows, but that has more been a steady grind higher. Wait until the real parabolic move begins, as this is when we see almost vertical price actions for some months. Last cycle, Mara rose 2,000% in 4 months. While I don't expect the same percentage return, we're still going to see incredible upward movement. Looks like one more pullback in play before a multi-months rally, as this is what my model is saying at least. We also have the halving in just 60 days. Breaking news, El Salvador's Bitcoin holdings have gained $25 million in value under Nayib Bukele presidency. Next up, ever since Bitcoin hit 38,000 in late January, whales have been on buying spree, as the number of addresses with 100,000 plus Bitcoin has increased by 6% in the last 3 weeks. Also, the average human can only own the 0.2 cents of a Bitcoin, so it's basically 0.002625 Bitcoins, as if we are going to take all the supply and give it to 8 billion people, each single person will only have a 0.002625 Bitcoin on his account if we actually give it to every single person. The average human can only own this amount of Bitcoins as a high value calculation. 21 million Bitcoins to 8 billion people actually means that 0.0265 Bitcoins per person. A 0.1 Bitcoin you own is 38 people, and if you own one tenth of a Bitcoin, you basically own 38 times the amount of Bitcoin the average human can ever own. So the next one, Bitcoin whales scoop up 100,000 Bitcoin in just 10 days. So as the price of Bitcoin reached levels that sparked enthusiasm in the market, certain wallets displayed heightened enthusiasm in their accumulation. With the increasing accumulation observed in these wallets, has there been an impact on the number of holders? Bitcoin whales pile up assets, and analysis of Bitcoin distribution supply on sentiment showed a notable accumulation trend among the certain whales in recent weeks. Examining the chart, it was evident that wallets holding 1,000 to 10,000 Bitcoins witnessed an increasing in holdings, rising from 24% to over 25%, as this upward trend commenced around the 22nd January and has persisted to the present. Over the past 10 days, these wallets accumulated approximately 100,000 Bitcoin, equivalent to around $5 billion. This accumulation marked the most significant trend observed in these wallets as in recent months. Notably, this category of wallets exhibited the highest accumulation trend among other whale wallets, as the accumulation from these wallets indicated an expectation for Bitcoin's price to surpass its current levels, signifying a bullish sentiment. Analyzing the total number of Bitcoin holders, an examination of the total number of Bitcoin holders indicated a lack of significant movement in recent times. A sentiment metric revealed a slight decrease in the number of holders over the past few weeks. At the time of writing, the number of holders stood at approximately 52 million, and this suggests that while the influx of new holders was limited, existing holders were actively acquiring additional Bitcoin. And Bitcoin maintains a new price level, as an analysis of Bitcoin's daily timeframe chart showed a lack of significant movement over the past 2 days. Despite the absence of notable uptrends, it has consistently maintained its value around the 51,000 price level, as at the time of writing, Bitcoin was trading at nearly $52,000, reflecting an increase of less than 1%, and notably, all indicators are pointing towards a strong bullish run. Also, Coinbase boosts Bitcoin nonprofit Brink with $3.6 million donation. Coinbase, a major US cryptocurrency exchange, has concluded its charitable Give Crypto event and concurrently announced a substantial Bitcoin donation to Brink as a nonprofit dedicated to Bitcoin protocol enhancement. An exchange had previously added this initiative designed to support the unprivileged West cryptocurrency, citing a lack of sustainable impact, as the leftover funds were divided between Brink and the charity platform Give Directly, though the exact figures were not initially disclosed. Brink's mission to fortify Bitcoin. Brink establishes in 2020 focuses on the Bitcoin protocol's research, development, and supporting its developer community with a scholarship program for aspiring software engineers and grants for current Bitcoin developers. Brink is committed to nurturing talent in the Bitcoin codebase ecosystem. Upon receiving the donation, Brink's co-founder Mike Schmidt expressed excitement over one of the largest Bitcoin open source developer donations from a leading industry company, and he emphasized that the funds would fuel their ongoing support for the Bitcoin developer community through the financial assistance and education programs and mentorship. So previously in June 2023, Brink benefited from Jack Dorsey's Smart Small Financial Initiative with a $5 million fund to support independent Bitcoin developers. As moreover, in January 2024, the investment firm 1Ag declared it would allocate 5% of its spot Bitcoin ETF profits to bolster Brink's initiatives. So that's all the information we got on the Bitcoin so far, and if you're interested in more, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one, and peace.